Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go in with the separate one to show you how you can do that, and just for a while hold your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and here right now you can see all the available widgets that you can add on your screen. And for example, we'll go in with the clock one, and now just hold for a while and drag it to the section where you want to add the widget. For example, we'll go in here, and also you can change the size of your widget by this way. If you want, you can also move the widget. Just hold for a while and move it to another screen, so you can move this widget between the screens by this way. Also, you can turn it back, and we can make it smaller to add one more widget, for example here on our screen. By the same way, go to the widgets, and for example, I will choose the calendar one, and just move it here to the position where you want to add the widget. And also you can change the size like in previously widget. You can move it between the screens by the same way, or if for example you want to remove, just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. And also we can delete the second widget by the same way. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.